When you toss a coin, there are only two possible outcomes, heads or tails. So we say there's a 1 in 2 chance, which can be wrote like any of these, or you can say 50-50. Now with a die, because it's numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, there are 6 possible outcomes. So any number has a 1 in 6 chance, which can be wrote like this. So for 1a, your chances of throwing a 2 would be a 1 in 6 chance, or 1 in 6. E, the odd numbers between 1 and 6 would be 1, 3, and 5. So what are your chances of adding on a 1, a 3, or a 5? Chances of throwing a 9 on a die that's numbered 1 to 6. Multiple of 3. So the multiples of 3 are 3 and 6. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, and 6. Something is impossible. It definitely cannot happen. It just will not happen. If it's certain, it definitely will happen. Has to happen. So be careful with your answers for A to F. When we say fuel, we usually mean the cost of diesel and petrol for our cars.